age 20, skin slows down, acts older. Now accelerate skin's regenerating power. Youth Code from L'Oreal. In one drop, skin instantly improves. In 1 month, skin acts younger. 95% of women saw results. L'Oreal's Youth Code.
The best kind of panty liner is the kind you can forget about completely. Introducing the new Active Fresh liner from Carefree. So thin, so absorbent, so comfortable, you'll forget you're wearing a liner. New Active Fresh from Carefree. Wonderfully forgettable.
On August 26th.
That's my brother, Ned.
Check it out. If you see the world through Ned's eyes, life's a no-brainer.
You put your trust out there. People will rise to the occasion. Can you hold us?
All Rudd is our idiot brother. Rated R.
Hey, where are you going?
I let me get a book that came out today.
Me too.
Come to the bookstore with me.
I'm good. Got it. It takes less than 60 seconds to download a new book on my Kindle.
60 seconds? Wow. That's what I was gonna get.
When you going to the bookstore?
To prove we have the world's most advanced all-wheel control, we took the Mitsubishi Outlander and Outlander Sport to the world's most dangerous river. If our Outlanders can handle this road, imagine what they can do on yours. For a limited time, get 0% financing on all 2011 models at the Mitsubishi Own Every Road sales event.
Now, Marley's back. Cool. With more mischief.
I totally want to chase cats.
And more Marley.
Smile. Hey, under my teeth, bad dog.
Marley and me, the puppy years. Now available on Blu-ray and DVD. Rated PG.
He's manipulating all of you because he's trying to steal my mother.
2 all-new episodes of Wilfred, Thursday starting at 10, only on FX.
What's so tough to understand? We're gonna have a big family dinner right here.
And whose big family were you planning on inviting?
You know, you, me, Jake, Mom, Turkey, just like the good old days.
What good old days?
It's just an expression.
Lily.
Oh,
Lily.
Okay, what's going on?
Lily.
I need to show Lisa that I'm
Lily.
But you're not.
Lily, sweetie.
That's not the point. She's about to go off and marry some jerk just because he loves her and wants to settle down.
Lily.
Oh, I get it. You're Satan.
This is serious. I could
Lily.
Wow.
Pumpkin.
You care?
love her, Alan. She's the
Sweetie
only one I
pie.
thought I might eventually wind up
Lily.
with.
Eventually wind up with. I'm tired.
Lily, are you faking? Or are you really sleeping?
You're warming up in your bullpen until the bottom of the ninth when you lose your arm.
Lily.
I don't know how we got onto sports.
Lily.
The thing is, I really care for Lisa.
I'm gonna stick my tongue in your ear.
But the thing is, you're not.
I'm gonna stick my tongue in your ear.
I might be. Who knows what would happen if I actually tried?
You're really serious about this.
Hell, I've got a 200-pound turkey melting in my lap.
Lily.
Okay, how can I help? Well, obviously we can't have a family Thanksgiving without a kid.
Oh my
So
God.
you need to get Jake back from your wife.